As the team is starting its first season in 2018, I really see a team that is in line with its plan. It's a long-term plan that we developed in 2015, a 6-year plan, 3 years of reconstruction, 3 years of challenging the top team. 2018 will be the last year of that reconstruction phase. And even though there is still so much to be done, I can only see positive coming from both Enstone and Viry. "2017 has clearly been a year of turnaround of the team. I mean, any way that you look into that, whether you look at the Constructor Championship position, or if you look at the average starting position or finishing position, but also the deficit to the top team, it's been a clearly improvement visible from everyone in the course of 2017. So that's clearly what we want to see in 2018. We want to see that this progression is not stopping. Clearly, we will be fighting against different type of teams, but they are equally important as the fight that we had before. In 2018, we will continue with Nico Hülkenberg and Carlos Sainz. It's a very competent lineup, very quick drivers with lots of experience, fantastic charisma, lots of energy, lots of drive. They will be driving the charge both on track and off track. And clearly, I can see something really exciting. In my opinion, it's the best lineup that Enstone team has ever had, all together. And they will be also supported by Jack Aitken, who will be joining us as a reserve driver, who, in addition to his duties in Formula 2, where he will be fighting for championship, will be taking part to a number of Formula 1 duties during the weekend and off weekend. So for 2018, we have been glad to announce renewal and extension of a number of strategic partnerships like BP Castrol, Mapfre, Microsoft, Infinity. But that's not just it. We've been joined also by a number of new partners like Leclerc Sportif and Tmall and many other brands that we will be announcing in the near future. I think that's what all those partners have the capacity to see is a project that is at the same time offering credibility from a sporting perspective and value from a marketing and a business perspective. And all of that is coming and put to the credit of the fantastic effort that is put at the team level, but also the great connection that we have with the Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi Alliance, which all together is the largest automotive group company, and that is offering a unique selling proposition to all these brands who are looking for exposure worldwide and business opportunities. Deciding to supply Red Bull Racing and McLaren in addition to our works team was clearly a bit of a brave decision that we made last year. Clearly, I'm sure that at some point it will be creating headache for our team, but I think it's only positive on the medium to long-term future. We know that we still have a bridge and a deficit to overcome on the engine side, and I'm really sure that by working with the best, we have the capacity to accelerate and fast track what needs to be done on the engine side. And at the same time, we know that we are still in a learning curve and a progression curve on the chassis side, and benchmarking those organizations is a fantastic opportunity also given to Enstone. The return of the French Grand Prix in 2018 is a great opportunity that is coming at the perfect time. Frankly, earlier than that, I don't think that we would have been ready to honor what is expected from us at our home race. And I believe that in addition to being ready now as a team to offer something credible to the fan, it's also a fantastic opportunity to strengthen the fan base of both Formula 1 and Renault Sport Formula 1 team in our home market. And Renault is a global car maker, but obviously our French heritage is strong and we need to work on that. And that will offer a fantastic opportunity for the fan to get closer from the team in action, closer from Formula 1, and closer also from Renault brand and product, which are knowing a big turnaround. For 2018, it's very much about showing that we can continue on the process initiated in 2017. We want to show that this progression is not stopping. We want to show that there is more to come. We want to show that our plan is credible and that the team deserves respect. And all of that, we want to show that on track and off track by obviously gaining from the top team by scoring more points, by progressing to the championship, but also continuing to develop the brand and the profile of the team.